केंद्र मंत्री केमिकल एंड फर्टिलाइजर डिपार्टमेंट रो मंत्री उपस्थित थिले जो इंडिया केम 2024 आगु को हबार अछि तार एठी प्रमोशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस आज ओडिशा रे अनुष्ठित हला एवं विभिन्न इंडस्ट्री रो कैप्टन मान को केमिकल इंडस्ट्री रो कैप्टन मान को मध्ये अछि निमंत्रण कर दैथिला एवं आम ओडिशा रो जहा पोटेंशियल अछि एवं ओडिशा रो जो इंडस्ट्री पॉलिसी अछि आमे एठार रखिलु निश्चित भाबरे आम पॉलिसी बेस्ट पॉलिसी अन्य राज्य मानक अपेक्षा केमिकल सेक्टर रे तो निश्चित भाव में आज जो कॉन्फ्रेंस है आम ओडिशा को आगु को किभली भाव में केमिकल इंडस्ट्री आहरी आसबे आलोचना है जो इंडिया केम 2024 हम निश्चित भाव में आमर जो लक्ष्य रही माननीय प्रधानमंत्री विकसित भारत लक्ष्य एवं माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जो लक्ष्य अच्छी विकसित ओडिशा निश्चित भाव में आज कॉन्फ्रेंस सहायक हम और निश्चिंत आम आशावादी ये कॉन्फ्रेंस आगू जो इंडिया केम 2024 हम ओडिशा रे केमिकल इंडस्ट्री ओडिशा रे जेतु पोटेंशियल अच्छी ओडिशा रे संभावना अच्छी आगू मध्य ओडिशा रे मध्य केमिकल इंडस्ट्री हबार मध्य संभावना देखा जाउछि। धन्यवाद।
Chemical and Fertilizers is holding the Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals under our ministry is holding one of our flagship events, India Chem 2024, in the coming October 17 to 19th October. It's a 3-day long event which will be held in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and Gujarat, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. These are some of the states of our country which have a huge presence of the chemical and petrochemical industry. The state of Odisha also is of immense importance to us insofar as the participation in India Chem is concerned. Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals is here today for an industry meet where we have invited all the chemical industry from the state of Odisha. Here we have interacted with them and we have appealed with them in the presence of Honorable Minister of Industries from the state to participate in India Chem 2024. It's a global event, so there'll be industry players from the chemicals and petrochemical sector who will be coming from all parts of the world. So our domestic industry from India and particularly from the state of Odisha will have an opportunity to forge collaborations with them and further their business interest and overall lead to the promotion of the chemicals and petrochemical sectors of the country, because India, fulfilling the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, wants to make itself as a global hub of the chemicals and petrochemical sector.
What is the new vision of
chemicals and petrochemical sector is taking several new initiatives from time to time to provide support to the industry, to the sector. We want to provide more research facilities. We also want to promote our educational and skilling facilities, and we are also Government of India is also executing free trade agreements to provide newer export destinations to our chemical and petrochemical industry. And the state governments are also adopting a pro-industry approach, which is also promoting more and more investment and growth of the industry. So together, central government and state government, we are putting our best foot forward. We are making our best endeavor to ensure that the chemicals and the petrochemical industry flourish.